Okay, now we're starting to get some decent players. Okay, decent player on 3 out of 5. How's it a draw? There was a rook f5, rook f6. The idea to kick the king back and then bring the rook to f4, I think. Let's go here. Okay, play knight h4, of course. Just take and go here. Take it on. Take it on. How long? How long? I could get cheeky here. Should I get cheeky? Let's get cheeky with h4. Let's start playing on the side of the board. I'm gonna start winging it, as we like to say. I mean, this guy's 2600. If I can't win this game, so be it. But I'd rather wing it and have fun, because realistically, the odds of me winning, let's go here. The odds of me winning 9 games in a row are objectively pretty low. Can't I just go? Wait, can't I just go d4 and bishop f3 and take a juicer? I think I just go here and win the horse. Yeah, I'm just gonna win something. I don't know if it's great or anything, but I'm winning something, I assume. Or maybe I'm not. The other side. How long? How long? I thought I was gonna play e5. This is not it. Let's just go here. It's gonna go b5 maybe. I thought I was gonna play e5 takes and bishop a3, but now it's too late for that. After the game, there's a line I want to look at that I think I could have gone for. I'm curious if I was right. Like, I was thinking if instead of a4, he played e5, takes, bishop a3, takes, check here, g6, fg6 takes there, and then like rook a3. I'm gonna look after the game, so I'm kind of curious. I think it worked, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, it's getting very low on time here. Very, very slow, by the way. Very slow. Very slow. How long? How long? It goes queen e6. Not a move that I'm particularly worried about. I'm gonna go here with the idea of playing g6. Very, very crude and rudimentary, but trying to checkmate him on the edge. Knight f3 also is a move too. Castles also is always a move. I guess I'll pre-move this because it's a safe pre-move. Okay, I should just go knight here, knight d4, and now it's just winning. Very, very smooth. Oh, wait, I can go here. For a second I got scared that I trapped my queen h6 actually is also playable. Queen h6 is asking for trouble, I feel like, but it's probably also very strong. Queen g4 is good, but it's not. I mean, I don't know. I'm gonna go for it. If here I just mate him. Uh-oh, I think it's a mistake though. Queen f5. Do you have h? I mean, I could just maybe I just take and castle. Actually, no, it's probably okay. I just take and castle and f4, and he's gonna be killed on the diagonal. Yeah. Oh yeah, it was a little bit scary for a split second. Yeah, now I just win. Okay, he goes rook e8, but that does nothing, because now I just go f4, and the mate threats are unstoppable with the bishop. Okay, should be GG. Goes F6. I just take, so I can just take here. Here we got the win. We move to 4 out of 6.